friends, my name is Abby, and today, I'm not going to be reviewing anything again. Today, we're going to be talking about a thing that I have never known. I know, I've never known the Bermuda Triangle. That's what we're going to be talking about, the Bermuda Triangle. I've never known what it does, I've heard of it before, and I never know where it was. And for those of you who has been living under a rock like me and doesn't know what the Bermuda Triangle is and what it does, I literally found out yesterday too, so it's fine. It's basically where there's like a triangle-shaped ocean waters stretching across Miami to the island of Bermudas and to Puerto Rico. So that makes a triangle. And this is the most weirdest place I can ever think of, because whatever ship is like doo 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 doo, and then it goes over there, it disappears, and then an airplane is going over there and then disappears, and it's not even on the radar. Sometimes they find it at the bottom of the sea, sometimes they don't even find it at all. That's why, if you want to know why planes and ships take the other way in like a patch of water, that's why. But why does this happen? And how does it happen? Well, we don't know for sure, but we sure do have a lot of theories for you guys. There's a lot. I'm not going to be saying every single one of them. Maybe just 2 or 3. So let's get started. The first one would be where there's a kraken. For those of you who don't know what a kraken is, it's those little squids that not little, a giant squid that takes a ship or sinks things, and giant octopuses have been found, so why can't the kraken be real, right? We never know. There might be a kraken living at the bottom of the ocean, color changing to fit with the camouflage. We don't know. Another one is that there are hexagonal shapes of, I don't know what I'm doing right now, but there's an hexagonal shape of cloud that's it's like a funnel. I don't know how to say it, but there's like a funnel out of the hexagonal shape, and whenever something gets near it, it's like an air bomb, boom, and then it explodes, and then it causes a giant tidal wave, and no ship can go through the giant tidal wave, and then no airplane can fly against those winds, so it just falls down. Another one, I know this is a lot, the lost city of Atlantis is down in the Bermuda Triangle. People have found weird man-made building blocks down there and actual structures, but we can't be sure it's made by the Atlantis people. The lost city of Atlantis is the city that sunk and nobody ever found it at the bottom of the ocean. Treasure hunters everywhere have been researching for it. But we're not here to talk about the lost city of Atlantis. We're here to talk about the Bermuda Triangle. How do they fit into each other? Well, there's a theory that the Atlantis people had some weird power gem thingy that can make compasses go weird, haywire, hacky, cuckoo, and airplanes and ships are guided down to the bottom of the ocean. I guess that could happen. Another one is that this theory is actually for a person that actually survived the Bermuda Triangle from a crazy electric fog mist that's brighter than a lightning strike. I know. I don't know what can be it was hotter than a lightning strike, and he actually survived through this. He thinks that dark energy from space is making weird things go faster. He was supposed to reach to Andros Island, which is one of the Bahamas Islands, I think. He was supposed to make it there in 90 minutes. He made it there and back in 47 minutes. And he thinks the dark matter might have increased or made the time faster. But then that would change the laws of physics, and it would throw the whole science off course, and it would just be totally wrong. I don't really think this one's it, but yeah. These are just some of the theories, not all of them. Again, as I said, there's another thing that we need to know. The Bermuda Triangle is moving. It's in the place Puerto Rico, the island of Bahamas, and Florida, and it's moving away eastward into the Sahara Sea. How it's moving, I can tell you that though. This is true facts. The magnetite in the ocean that's beneath the Bermuda Triangle attracts with the Earth's magnetic field, and it makes the Bermuda Triangle move away. So it's moving away from its hotel homestay, and it's going to the Sahara Sea. What is so important about the Sahara Sea, you might ask? The Sahara Sea already has crazy winds blowing. With the Bermuda Triangle there, literally nothing can cross it right now. But I don't really know if there's going to be any impacts where it left. So is there still going to be two Bermuda Triangles now that it's moved away and it's still living in there? So that's also a question I want to know, but there is no answer to that. Now I just want to finish with, there are a lot more weirder things like this. I'll give you some examples. There's another triangle called the Dragon's Triangle near Japan. I know. And we can actually tell it's happening because the ships and airplanes are disappearing there because of natural, actual Earth stuff, like wind, hurricanes, typhoons as they call it there, and things like that. So that's actually natural stuff causing that. There's another one where a lake goes to 196 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's really, really hot. Another lake is freezing cold. On an island, there are also weird looking round shaped stones too. It's really weird. In conclusion, there are more weirder things than the place where we live. And we know more about the depths of ocean than the things around us. So we really need to get a move on. But this mystery, I think, is going to be mystery for a little bit longer. I'll see you in another video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!